Hi my beautiful angels and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I created a look suitable to wear in day events with minimum makeup products on, because as we all know, in natural sunlight even less looks a lot, so I thought to use as minimum products as I can. Also, I filmed this video in natural sunlight so that you can actually see how this looks in natural light. And as you guys can see, it's not cakey. It's not even too much for a day event. Rather, it's more glamorous and sexy at the same time. So if you guys are interested, then keep watching.
I'm on